for more wonderful updates. Alright? Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Sing children. Alright guys, I'm off to go and video the Ebonyi shopping mall, okay? And I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. If I'm able to finish on time, you guys will follow me to Roban stores today. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you're new for more wonderful updates. Alright?
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, you know when I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making. Modern kingdom for the taking.
This one is really an adventure. I want to know exactly where they are going to drop what is on the page. Uno di caro.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
I can see it when you take from
If
here.
you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
This is the highest step.
Okay. Yes. I don't know you.
I don't know. Diners has finished their work. Just clean this.
I think this how he decides to success.
You're so good.
This is going to be how the after cleansing.
Guys, we are here. Oh, the heat is just too much. That bit's beautiful. So I got. I just emptied this Roban stuff. Okay, so I got this soap for myself. This organic snail white plus herbal skin lightening soap, snail and pearl. Alright, let me try it and see how the soap is. I saw cowbell there. Cowbell liquid milk. I've never seen cowbell liquid milk. This is my first time of seeing it. Oh. So that was why I got it. I didn't get the particular one we used before. I got this one. Oh. I want to try it. Let me see how it is. Yes. So I also bought 1, 2, 3 milk sachet to refill. I'm going to refill it. Then I got what we eat. What about bread? Okay, I got bread. Yes, this is bread. Roban, this is Roban bread.
Guys, I really do hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you do, please don't forget to click the subscribe bell for me and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. That's if you're new, if you've not done that before. And then if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm sweating. Let me go home and refresh. Bye.